Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss a very powerful love spell, a potent love spell which will not only make sure that your partner comes to you but will also make sure that he or she should not date someone else, he or she should not talk to someone else. They have to be completely loyal. They have to think about you non-stop. Whatever you should say to them, they should do according to that only. And also, this spell does not have any negative vibes, any negative work associated with this. This is going to attract all the positive universe energy with you, going to attract all the positive universe energy around you, and you will not face any other problems. So how does this spell really work? For this spell, in order to work infinitely, you need to have one fragrance, a deodorant, a perfume, anything will be required which is already with me. I'm having perfume with me right now. I hope everyone is able to see. The fragrance, you should like that fragrance. It should not be an ordinary one. The fragrance which you use, that also you can utilize in this work. Second thing, you would be needing a small gift, right, which you can gift or which you can give it to your partner, or you can put it at some safe place where no one can find it out, and later on you can get that back as well. I hope I'm clear with these materials. This is the small gift. A small kind of doll can be used. It can be shirt, it can be a handkerchief, it can be a ring, it can be anything which you want to gift. Or what can you do? You can keep any item which you can keep with yourself for a shorter span of time, and that, after particular time, once you have got the results, you can get back this doll or this gift. So what will you do? First of all, this is a very dedicated and a powerful spell in which your concentration and your dedication is required. If you are fully concentrated, if you are fully dedicated, then no one in this world will be able to stop you from getting the results. Before this, you have to remember one spell as well, which is there in front of you right now. Let me just little bit move them aside, and I hope you will be able to read it very carefully. It's written over there, Amin Salmani San Gaffaru Ayatul. It's a short prayer which you can use. Amin Salmani San Gaffaru Ayatul. You need to remember these magical phrases. These powerful phrases you have to remember. Once you have remembered these magical phrases, that is Amin Salmani San Gaffaru Ayatul, you can start practicing this spell. First of all, what will you do? You will get this doll, touch with your forehead. Like suppose this is your forehead, you are going to touch it and you are going to read that magical words Amin Salmani San Gaffaru Ayatul, and you will blow on this gift like this one time. Once you have done it, you are going to sprinkle little bit of perfume on this like this one time. You will be able to feel the fragrance. Second time, in the same way. I'm repeating one more time. If you are not able to understand it clearly, you will take this gift, touch with your forehead, and while touching it, you are going to read the magical words Amin Salmani San Gaffaru Ayatul. Then you will blow on this gift, and again you are going to 2 times. I am able to feel the fragrance right now only. You are going to do it how many times now? This is a complete shot would be there. For example, you are 32 years old and your target person is 34. I hope you are able to see it, 32 and 34. So total becomes 66. You will do it, you are going to do it 66 times, right? If your age and target person's age total becomes 89, then you will repeat this process, that is touching with your forehead, reading the magical words, blowing on the gift and applying perfume on the gift 89 times, right? So this is the spell you have to work. Once you have done it completely, what will you do? You are going to in the morning will gift this gift to your target person, or you are going to hide this thing at some safe place where no one can find it out. And as the fragrance will move away, fragrance will reach to your partner will be approaching you. He will be coming to you only. Whatever you would say, he is going to do for you, and he is going to have 100 times more love and more affection for you as which you are going to have for him in or her for in your mind. I hope I am clear with all these instructions. If you have any doubt regarding these spells or you want to know something regarding these spells, you can call us on the number which is there on your screen. Till that moment, take care. God bless you. Bye bye. Khuda Hafiz.